Here are 20 English words you must know to sound smart. 1. Ubiquitous, present or appearing everywhere. Example, in today's digital age, smartphones have become ubiquitous. 2. Ephemeral, lasting for a very short time. Example, the beauty of cherry blossoms is ephemeral. 3. Conundrum, a difficult problem or question. Example, the new policy presents a conundrum for the industry. 4. Eloquent, fluent and persuasive in speaking or writing. Example, she was an eloquent speaker who could captivate any audience. 5. Anomaly, an exception to the norm. Example, in the data, there was one anomaly that couldn't be explained. 6. Acrimony, ill feeling or bitterness. Example, the dispute was settled, but there was still a great deal of acrimony between the two parties. 7. Camaraderie, friendship and mutual trust. Example, there is a great sense of camaraderie among the team members. 8. Disheveled, messy, extremely untidy. Example, he arrived at the meeting looking disheveled and unprepared. 9. Elucidate, to explain at greater length. Example, could you elucidate on that point for me? 10. Fiasco, a complete, farcical failure. Example, the party turned into a complete fiasco. 11. Hedonist, one motivated purely by sensory pleasure. Example, he lived a hedonistic lifestyle, dedicated to pleasure. 12. Idiosyncrasy, a quirk or eccentricity. Example, her habit of talking to her plants was just one of her idiosyncrasies. 13. Mantra, a regularly repeated slogan or motto. Example, his mantra was work hard, play hard. 14. Nirvana, a state of transcendence. Example, the spa promised a day of pure nirvana. 15. Panacea, a supposed remedy for all difficulties or diseases. Example, unfortunately, there is no panacea for the world's problems. 16. Quid pro quo, an exchange of favors. Example, the agreement was a quid pro quo. He'd help her if she helped him. 17. Rendezvous, a meeting at a prearranged location and time. Example, they planned a secret rendezvous in the park. 18. Tryst, a secret romantic meeting. Example, the lovers arranged a tryst for midnight. 19. Vamoose, to leave in a hurry. Example, when they heard the police siren, they decided to vamoose. 20. Zealous, showing great energy or enthusiasm. Example, she was a zealous supporter of the cause.